Every AI model starts with one simple question. What are we trying to predict? Some problems need a number, some need a yes or no, and some don't have an answer yet. Let's break it down and look at regression versus classification versus clustering in model selection. That choice matters. You're training the AI not only what to learn, but how it learns. We'll start with regression.
Regression starts by finding patterns in data. Each dot is an observation, and the line shows the relationship the model discovers between them. Every prediction has some error. Regression adjusts itself to reduce those gaps, tightening the line. Regression powers real decisions, forecasting prices, predicting energy use, projecting revenue.
That was regression, and let's now look at classification in training an AI model.
Classification starts by grouping labeled examples. Here, our AI learns to tell chocolate treats from fruit candies. A classifier learns where to draw boundaries between categories. When new data appears, the model decides which side it belongs to. Multi-class models handle more than 2 labels, like sorting chocolates, chews, and lollipops into their own groups. The same idea behind sorting Halloween candy powers real AI, classifying emails and products.
That was a pretty sweet look at classification. Let's look at clustering for an AI model.
Clustering starts when there are no labels, just data points in the wild, waiting for patterns to emerge.
Clustering finds structure in chaos, grouping data that behaves alike, even when no one told it how.
Clustering doesn't need labels, it just groups what moves alike. In a sea of patterns, one signal stands apart. That's clustering force, finding natural patterns in the chaos. It's how AI discovers structure when no one's there to label it.
And that is how clustering is done. Now let's review what we learned in this video. Regression is all about predicting numbers, things like sales, temperature, or how fast you'll finish that next coding sprint. Classification makes yes or no or multi-choice decisions. Is this spam? Is that cat a dog? Or which emoji fits your mood? Clustering finds hidden patterns when you don't have labels. It groups the unknowns and shows you what connects them. And that's how you train your AI model. Thanks for watching.